Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now I've just received the Tozo T10 Earbuds. Now, a lot of people have been saying to me, Andy, we love your big reviews, especially like on Mr. Yoo-Hoo, but we'd like to see something a bit more personal, like kind of how you do it with us. So guys, I'm actually going to open up these earbuds live with you. So I haven't actually opened these up before, haven't used them. So I'm as excited as you are to see if these budget pair of earbuds stack up. Now they've had a ton of reviews online. Let's see if they work. So having a look, it's normal kind of Tozo packaging, as you can see just there. Nice minimalistic kind of style. They talked a bit more about the design, stereo quality, touch control, etc. on there, but we'll look into that as we do it. Now this is going to be initial impressions, and we'll do a full review later so you can see in depth how it works. And we're also doing giveaways at the moment too, so check out for that. So I've opened up the box, it kind of fell everywhere. Silly me, I know. So you've got the, I'm not sure what that is. It's like must be a holding strap for the case. Yeah, it would be. Holding strap for the case. Interesting. You've got the USB-C cable. You've got the different earbud tips that you can use. And finally, you've got the earbud case too. Now, very simplistic packaging, which is fine. Again, we're looking at a budget pair of earbuds. You've got the packaging, instruction guides, and a Tozo card. So let's have a look. So straight away, the case is probably a bit more chunkier than I'm used to. So there's my hand, and there's the size, but look at the thickness. So it's like a biscuit. Probably shouldn't eat it, should I? So yeah, so it's like a biscuit. So I take the plastic off, and now we've got the case there. So there it is, just there. Oh, that's where you go and put it around, you tie the thing to it, okay. USB-C charger as well. Now I'll let you guys see them before I even see them. This is the exciting part about it. So there they are. So what are you guys thinking? There are the earbuds there. Looks quite nice. To be honest, I don't care too much about having a big case sometimes. I use them a lot in the gym. Throw in my gym bag, put it in my pocket, doesn't matter. So let's go and take it out. Now they're the earbuds there themselves. So left, right, I don't know if it's got a display where it actually charges it. We'll have to look at that later. So yeah, the earbuds just here, take the plastic off. So they're the earbuds just there. So you got that one and you got that one. Now these are like the bud design. So they fit in the ears with that, so and ear tips. So I'm going to go and put them into my ears just now and have a look. So I think that one's right, yep, and that one's left. I don't know how you can see. Oh, it says left there. Sorry guys, I'm not always the sharpest. Put them in my ears. So what's the fit? Actually, it fits quite well. Yeah, it's not moving at all in my ears. Feels like a solid kind of fit. As we're talking, I'm going to switch on the. Okay, so there you go. I had to actually put the earbuds into the case without the plastic. So I did that, and watch this magic that happens. So there you go. The light comes on, the earbuds connected, they start flashing. So this means we can start pairing them, which is good. So again, I'm doing this live, guys. Normally I'd prepare all this beforehand. It says power on, put them in my ears, and they're pairing straight away. So I'll go and get my trusty phone, and let me go and connect, see how quickly it is to connect to them as well. So it looks like, there they are, Tozo T10, just connected. And again, they fit quite well. I don't mind the fit at all in them. I'm going to start by playing just, I don't know, some music. ACD Thunderstruck, which I was playing in the last one. Again, wow, straight out of the box. Straight out of the box, it's got a good depth of sound actually. Again, I'm finding a lot of budget earbuds really do enough to now be able to listen to them, and it sounds quite good. Thunderstruck, I'll hear the rah, rah, rah in the background. Let me try something a bit different, like, I don't know. Guys, you let me know in comments what kind of music you like, but I'm going to play some dance music. I'll probably say oh, there's the bass, yeah. You can hear the bass pumping in. Sounds good. I don't know if you guys can hear it. You guys probably can't hear that, can you? Surprisingly good sound, actually, straight out of the box. Kind of look a bit more what they have. So they've got E and C noise cancellation, so environment noise cancelling, which basically adjusts to the environment you're in. It's not active. You've got fast wireless charging, the smart control, stereo, and you can use the Tozo app. So, and you've also got different colors there too. I don't know if you can see that, but I always go kind of the simple black kind of ones. But these feel good already. So great first impressions, guys. Feels good quality, sounds good. It's got the basic functions, which you'd expect for these kind of entry-level earbuds, but so far I'm quite impressed with them. So I'll be giving away these earbuds as well shortly. So check out the giveaways. We're giving away a ton of different prizes, and we'll do a full review shortly. But yeah, the Tozo T10 so far are stacking up. And also let me know if you like these shorter first impression reviews. Thanks.